Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Google Play Store apps not downloading on your settings. All you have to do is just click here on settings here, then it's going to take you here in this window. And all you have to do now, so you just go down here and you click here on apps, then it's going to take you here to apps window. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here to looking for Play Store app. So just keep going down here and you will find. So if you don't find it, so just search for it here. So I'm going to search here, sorry. So then you click here on Google Play Store and it's going to take you to next window here, and you just click here on force stop, then click here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on OK, then you go down here, you click here on storage, and it's going to take you here to storage window. So just click here on clear cache, and all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.